Okay guys, hello guys. I'm here in Baguio, Philippines. Summer capital of Philippines. We're here in Botanical Garden right now. Okay, I will show you all the flowers here in Botanical Garden. Here, we started here. See? A lot of flowers. Oh, they're dancing here. Oh, see? They're dancing. Here in Botanical. They have a dance group. Okay, we'll go now. We'll go around. Here's our plant here. See? Wow, I like that. Dito na, paikot po na tayo. Oh. Paano ko makukuha yan? Here, Centennial.
Hindi mo kailangan higa yung camera.
There. See, there's a lot. We have Panagbeng, a festival. That's why there's a lot of people here. See?
Finally. Ah! Oh my God, what is that?
Ah, big lizard. What is that? That's the lizard. Okay. No need. Okay.
May existing ka, ma'am. Ano ginagamit yung credit card niyo?
American credit card.
International, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Here's the map for the Botanical Garden. Here. We're gonna go around here.
Ito, oh, picture. Ito.
Oh, here. What's this? No, hold it. I'm gonna be here.
I'm here.
Upo ka naman. Upo. Ayan. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Okay. O, dito naman. Ang init. O, dito naman sa loob para ano. Ayan.
Wow! Madilim?
Atras ka pa. Yan. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wait.
Walang ahas dito. Diba kung may ahas?
Oh, hawakan mo to. Oh, ituloy mo na yung vlog mo.
Hindi, wala na tayong ano eh.
Okay, go.
Ano, pinutol mo na?
Hindi pa na.
Hindi, ang long na yon.
Oh, di stop na.